because I'm gonna blow your guys' mind. You're worried about offending people that literally don't even know who you are. If you would like to call and set an appointment with every single internet customer 95+% of the time, raise your hand, please. I'm gonna do the exact same thing here, almost the exact same way as I did yesterday. And why do you guys think I do things the exact same way every single time? Does it make it easier or does it make it harder? Easier. When we call customers without a call guide, here's what we call customers and say, hey buyer, this is Kyle. And I was just calling because I want to waste 30 minutes of my time and I never want to see you. And I'm actually on Indeed right now looking for another job because I hate selling cars. This is way too hard. So what do you want to do? You want to not come in? You could ruin a car deal with just this one sentence, okay? This is Kyle, and the reason I was calling you is I wanted to see if you had any questions on the used Silverado. Why does it kill a deal if I call and say, do you have any questions on the used Silverado? Why does it kill a deal?
If they say no, done.
If they say no, you're done. And if they say yes, you're extra done, okay? Write this down, please. When you call internet customers, you're not calling to set an appointment. That's not why you're calling. You're calling to confirm an appointment because the appointment is already done. Just treat it like it's done. They spent how many hours doing research? 24 hours, good. I usually hear 10 to 15. It very well could have gone up to 24. You might know more than me do based on your position. So they spent 24 hours doing research. They come to our website or a third-party website and they show a ton of commitment. What do they give us before they submit a lead? What do they give us?
Number, email address,
and then we call them and say, hey, this is Kyle. I'm calling you like I work at the methadone clinic. And I want to go outside and put my hands on the car. Can I call you back? And I have zero anxiety because I say the same thing every single time and it works 95+++ of the time. If you would like to call and set an appointment with every single internet customer 95+% of the time, raise your hand, please. All right, good. All right, every hand went up. Okay, excellent. Good. So here's the trick, the hack, the secret, the whatever. What's the source that they went to? Just yell it out, whatever it is. Make it up. What's one of our sources? Car Gurus. Okay, excellent. What's a car that I maybe find on Car Gurus? Forerunner. Okay, perfect. So the easiest way to get along with this customer is to call up and say, hey buyer, this is Kyle. The reason I'm calling you is I want to thank you for going to and picking out that. What a great choice. And then I just drop the big fat P word right on their face. Just drop the big fat P word right on their face. It's pause. I just wait. And the person that spent hours doing research, what do they usually say? What'd you say? Maybe not if I say foundation. They go, oh yeah, no, I like the Forerunner. Great. Well, I double checked to confirm, and it looks like that Forerunner's here. When's a good time for you to come out and take a look? 3 steps to set an appointment. Write this down, please. Thank them for doing whatever they've done. Tell them you can do whatever they want to do. And then 3, just ask for the appointment. Also, right now, our safety net, and I'm going to prove it to you in a minute. Most people don't do this. Write this down, please. You want to engage the trade-in. You want to engage the trade-in. Just engage the trade. Bill, because you have really pretty eyes, feels weird to sell somebody that, but I'll try not to get lost in them here. I'm sure everybody tells you that. What are you driving now?
Cadillac.
What year's your Cadillac?
2024.
Oh, sweet. What is it?
Cadillac CT5E.
Nice. So let's say Bill put a lead on a Escalade, right? Just for argument's sake. Now, Bill's looking at a 25 Escalade. If I'm trying to set the appointment with Bill on the 25 Escalade and he doesn't give me the appointment, especially, I'm going to say to Bill, what are you driving now?
Cadillac CT5E.
Oh, sweet. What's making you want to go to the CT5 to the Escalade?
My wife just got pregnant and had 4 kids and I need something bigger.
Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Good job, buddy.
Oh, that's good. Awesome. Awesome. Hey, can I ask you something, Bill? Would you ever sell your current Cadillac? Would you sell that car?
No.
Okay, great. You know why you won't sell it? Because we're role playing, and salespeople never want to sell their car. That's why I hate role playing with you guys. Guess what the customer said yesterday? I would love to sell my car, and I'll be here Thursday. This is why I hate role playing with you guys. Bill, would you ever sell your car?
Yes, I would.
Oh, fantastic.
For the right price.
Good. So the safety net is what? Write this down, please. If you didn't, engage the trade-in. Just tell everybody that you want to buy their car. Chad, if you sell 10 cars here, you close 10 customers, how many of the 10 had a trade?
Probably 5 or 6.
All right, 5 or 6, about average, okay?
Yeah.
We like to see 80, but 80 is our goal usually. You guys are right in there. So I know there's a 50 to 60% chance, even at our numbers that we're trying to increase, that this person has a what?
Trade.
So I could set an appointment just purely based on a what? Trade-in. Just tell people how much you want to buy their car. Bill, how much is your car worth?
God, last time I lost too much money, but I would probably say about 52.
I want Bill to think it's worth 60 grand on the way here. We're going to offer him 49. I hope he thinks it's 60 on the way here. Why?
So you can screw me out of more money?
No? Okay.
Okay, just checking.
Why do I want Bill to think he's going to get all the money for his car? Because he's more likely to do what?
Show up.
More likely to come in. You say your car's worth $42,000? Bill, are you sure you don't have 40 kids the way this thing is? What's wrong with you, dude? Your car's worth $42,000. Or, Bill, your car's worth $42,000. We love your car. We need a car like yours. I'm so glad you're letting us buy it today. Which way does he feel better?
Well, the positive way.
We're going to tell the customer the same number either way. Some people, and I have stores all over the country that are struggling with this, you get these genius salespeople that have been selling cars for 3 months, and they go, great news, I kicked the trade. They had negative equity. I got rid of no more trade. You kick the trade, you also kick the what?
Customer.
Car deal. You need the trade. Do we want to buy a 2001 Tahoe with 300,000 miles on it?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, good. What if I owe $25,000 on it? Do you want to buy that car?
We'll figure it
Yeah.
out.
Yes. You got to get in the habit of just telling everyone you want to buy their car. Because if we buy their car, something crazy happens. They do what?
They buy our car.